Today, we're diving into the camera that helped bring DSLR photography to the masses, the Canon EOS 300D, also known as the Digital Rebel in the US. Design build. The 300D has a classic early 2000s DSLR design, silver plastic body, chunky grip, and simple control layout. Though it feels a bit dated by today's standards, it was considered very user-friendly for beginners back then. Image quality. Camera, image quality. The Canon 300D uses a 6.3 MP APS-C CMOS sensor with Canon's Digic processor. In good lighting, the results are still surprisingly decent. ISO range, 100 to 1600, battery. The BP511 battery provides decent performance, around 400 to 600 shots per charge. As for connectivity, it's minimal. Overall, the Canon EOS 300D may be a relic by today's standards, but it's one that deserves respect. It changed the digital photography landscape, and for a beginner wanting to understand photography from the ground up, it's still a relevant tool. Thank you so much.